Alright guys, so the day has come to test out the new natural gas burner. The way I'm going to be doing that is sap, of course. I'm going to give that a go. I got 16 gallons of it, plus anything I grab out in the field right now. I've got 6 gallons in here right now. As you can see where the sweat line is, that's about how deep it is. It's got ice chunks in it still, so this will be a test. But we'll see how it does. First thing we're going to do is light it up. Not sure if I'm going to really time too much of this, but for your information, it's 425. Must have missed the boil point. It is going now. I had to turn it down. Hey you guys, time is now 5:39. Just thought I'd stop here and show you quick so I'm not dragging this out all night on you guys. I shut off the burner now. I'm just under my 2-inch mark I used on my other pan. Just so then I can give that as reference, I can go back and figure out what the time it took to get here from 6 gallons in this pan. But I'm going to keep at this and get all my sap I got cooling in the snowbank over there done up. We'll catch you guys later.
Well, as you guys can see, a little change in scenery around here since last week when I shot that other footage. We've been in the 60s on and off all week, and looks like the next week we're going to be in the 60s again and 40 or above at night. So this is going to be the end of my sap season for this year, I'm sure. I'll probably be pulling my taps later today. All in all, this burner performed great. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Really does a nice job just on the sap here. I'm getting about 4 gallons per hour on it, so I'm completely satisfied with that. And I think you could even improve that by just getting a little bigger pan and maybe managing the sap height a little bit better. I've just been dumping it in and letting it come back to a boil, and it's pretty quick at it. The one thing I would have done differently, I suppose, is just use the better quality paint rated for a higher temperature. I mean, I don't think it matters on the grates because they're glowing red when this thing is running full bore. So I don't think there's any paint out there that'll probably hold up to that. But as you can see, I mean, we got some paint peeling on the sides there, just where the burner's really touching. But other than that, this thing has been great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment if you got any questions for me, and be sure to hit that subscribe button to see more. Thanks for watching.